Hello guys, welcome to my channel Blush with Bloom. Today I am going to show you how to make aloe vera gel at home. This is natural, effective and contains lot of benefits for skin, hair and health. It provides perfect hydration to skin and feels extremely soothing at the same time. I am going to share two amazing ways of making aloe vera gel at home. These are easy and quick procedures. Now let's get started. First you need to cut a fresh leaf from the plant and then wash it well to get rid of any dirt. After that, wipe off the water to avoid any excessive slipperiness. Also discard the yellow discharge that initially drains out from the part that has been cut. As you can see, I have already completed this procedure. Now cut both the edges that are hard carefully and peel off the green skin as close as possible. Next, use a knife or spoon and peel off the clear gel in a bowl. Make sure you remove the entire gel from the skin as well. Now add vitamin A oil into the pulp. I have added 2 vitamin A capsule to it and I have used a normal vitamin A 400 capsule. Remove the actual vitamin A oil from the capsule and mix it well with the aloe vera gel. Vitamin A acts as a natural preservative and help the aloe vera gel to stay fresh for longer. It's obvious an optional step, but if you want to store it for a month, then you have to use vitamin E. Otherwise, it will stay fresh and usable for just a week. Instead of vitamin E, you can use vitamin C powder or gelatin powder as well. This additional ingredient is optional and it's not harmful for your skin, but do a patch test before applying it. Now put all the pulp that you have extracted in the blender and blend it. You can see the consistency is medium gel-like and smooth too. Now you can store it in a jar for future use. You can store it for around 1 or 2 months in the refrigerator. Though this gel is quite liquid in consistency, not jelly-like consistency, but it is the most natural way to use aloe vera gel. If you wish to preserve aloe vera gel for a longer time, just freeze it. All you need to extract aloe vera gel as I told you before and blend it in a blender. Then take a ice tray and transfer the gel in the ice tray and place them inside the freezer. Once frozen, then transfer the cubes into a sealable bag and store in the freezer for up to 6 months. So guys, I hope you like this easiest and quickest way of making aloe vera gel at home. Give it a try, your skin will surely like it. If you find this video useful, then like, subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it. And do follow me on Instagram as well.